Restrictions of Ihram unique to men. A man must keep his entire head and hands exposed at all times. A man can only wear footwear that exposes his ankles and toes and the majority of the foot. The optimal design is a thong sandal. A man may not wear any stitched clothing. Rather, he is to wear two large unstitched pieces of cloth. And if you're looking at my current outfit, you will have rightly noticed that this is such a piece of unstitched plain cloth, and which was indeed purchased with the intention of ihram. One is to be wrapped around his lower body with one of those pieces of cloth, which would be called the izar, and the other will be donned as a mantle on his shoulders, which is called the rida. They're identical pieces of clothing, but they will be called izar and rida depending on which part of the man they cover. I again suggest buying natural fiber materials like linen and avoiding artificial made in China polyester sweaty death traps commonly sold in ready made ihram bags. Oftentimes, they will be of polyester, of synthetic materials, which will again be horrible. They will be thick and heavy. They will not be breathable. It will be like wearing a garbage bag in the heat of the summer. And on top of that, the synthetic fibers don't absorb or wick sweat properly. And so it will just be this heavy garbage bag blanket that a person wears. A little bit of foresight and thought into purchasing the cloth of one's ihram will lead to a better Hajj experience.